Are you wondering if short form or long form content is better for your growth in 2025? Well, today I'm going to break it down for you. Go ahead and get your notebook and have an open mind because class is in session. Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Ilana, and we're going to take a deep dive into which content strategy is better for you to grow your channel in 2025. Since the goal here is to become monetized,
money on my head, that means money on my mind.
I do not particularly recommend using the YouTube short strategy. However, I will explain it. In order to become monetized with YouTube shorts, you would need to have 3 million plus views. Now, YouTube shorts are great for you to post. However, I believe that they're best when you're trying to bring visibility and traffic to your channel or give a little snippet of a long form video that you've already posted. However, keep in mind, they are similar to TikTok videos, IG Reels, and Facebook Reels. And these are typically videos that are shorter than 3 minutes or just a small little snippet video. The long form video strategy is where you would gain the most watch hours and have the highest earning potential. This is the form that you'll be able to add ads, and there are 4 types of ads that I'm going to go ahead and explain. There are 4 types of Google AdSense ads. So we have the pre-roll ad, which particularly plays before your video starts. We have the mid-roll ad, which is going to be placed in between your videos. We have the overlay, which is going to be in the banner off to the side of your video. And we also have post-roll ads, which are played after your video ends. Keep in mind, any video that is shorter than 3 minutes is going to be a YouTube short. Anything in an excess of 3 minutes or longer is going to be considered long-form content. For videos that are less than 8 minutes, you're only able to take advantage of the pre-roll ads and the post-roll ads. However, if your video is in excess of 8 minutes, you're able to take advantage of all 4 ad types: the overlays, the pre-roll, the mid-roll, and the post-roll ads. Now, there's not a maximum number of ads that you can add to your video, okay? But do not be greedy. The point is for you to keep your viewers and not frustrate them, but also make your coins, okay? So too many ads can frustrate your viewers to the point that they stop watching your videos or they simply unsubscribe. Because I wouldn't want to watch a video when we're getting into the video and I'm invested, and then every 2 to 3 minutes you have an ad that I have to skip. I'm going to be frustrated and end up unfollowing you or unsubscribing to you, okay? So an ideal pinpoint for your ads to be placed is anywhere between the 7 to 10 minute mark. So every 7 to 10 minutes, an ad, that's okay. People won't get too frustrated, but just don't take advantage of it. There's still a great way for you to balance your ad revenue and not frustrate your viewers. Now, keeping in mind, YouTube's monetization requirement requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I highly recommend posting long form content or using YouTube's live feature. With the live feature, any viewers who are viewing your page during the duration of your live are helping you gain your watch hours. Also, once your live has concluded and is posted to your page, anyone who comes back and watches your live after it's been posted is also helping you grow your watch hours as well. So I highly recommend long form or live feature for you to get all your watch hours to get that monetization goal. Currently, at the time of me filming this video, I have 4,215 subscribers and 100 watch hours. I posted my first video on my YouTube channel 45 days ago. I used my TikTok videos and converted them over to YouTube in the form of YouTube Shorts in order to gain traction and traffic to my channel. I've also posted a few videos, probably like 2 that are long form, and I take snippets and remix my video, which converts them into shorts on my YouTube page to bring more traffic to my video. I also promote my videos on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and my Snapchat page. I'm also a part of a few Facebook groups, which are for YouTube creators, and I also promote my videos over there on those pages as well. And that is a platform that we use to like support each other. But if you have any questions, I'm always available to you for any support, any content creation ideas, content calendar. I am here. If you need words of encouragement, I am here. This is what I'm here for. I live to serve other people. I love helping other people. So my contact information is in my beacon. You can find my email there. I'm always accessible on IG. You could DM me or TikTok while it's still around. But again, my name is Ilana. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below and let me know anything that you're struggling with, and I'll make a video about that or be here to assist you in any way I can. Bye.